Think about this for a minute. What if you can make money off YouTube without having to create any videos? YouTube is a great platform to find fun and exciting videos during your free time, and there is a little something for everybody. The best thing about YouTube is that you can do a million things with it, but today we are focused on just one thing: how to make money online. In today's video, we will be showing you how you can earn an extra $70 every day from YouTube and dropping some useful things along the way. If you overlook this video, you are missing out on a great, fun way to earn some extra cash without stress. And I'm going to guess and say that that's not something you want. For those that stick with us till the end, there is a secret tip that we have in store just for you, and you definitely want to hear it. Let's get down to it. Open the YouTube app on your phone. But since we are using a laptop for this process, we are going to type youtube.com here. Sign into your account, and you are officially ready to start. Click on the Explore button, and on this page, you'll see different categories like sports, news, music, trending, gaming, and lots more. Here, you are going to select Gaming. This category has all the latest and most popular gaming videos on YouTube. And if you scroll down, you will see so many videos talking about games that you've probably never heard of. Thankfully, you don't need to be a gaming fan before you can use any of the videos. What we are going to do here is select recent gaming videos that got a lot of views, like a video having 2 million views in 3 days, or 5 million views in a week. The point here is that recent videos with a lot of views means that there are a ton of people actively interested in what that video was talking about. And you know what that means: more money. We have another bonus tip for choosing videos, but we'll keep that close to our chest for now. From this gaming category, we are going to copy the links of at least 5 videos to start with. But if you want to do more, that's completely fine. Paste the link somewhere, and we are going to move on to the next stage of this process. The next website we are going to be talking about is shorte.st, and you can go right ahead and open that on your browser. This is a website for shortening links like bit.ly, but the most important feature of this website is that it pays us for those shortened links. This website has over 1.5 million users, and to prove that it can be trusted, we got to check out a couple of reviews. All of them had raving reviews about it, so this website is good to go. Let's give a bit of info about how this website works before we continue. Shorte.st doesn't give out free money just for shortening links. If it did that, it would have run out of business a long time ago. Instead, every time you shorten a link, video ads are embedded into that link. So whenever someone clicks on that shortened link and watches a video, the website gets paid for it. From there, the website pays you a commission for your efforts. It's a win-win situation. Shorte.st uses PayPal, WebMoney, and Payoneer as a way to give money to its users. If you scroll to the bottom of the homepage and click on Payout Rates right here, you can see the different payout rates for various countries. Now that we've checked this site out, it's time to create an account. There is this big red button that says Join Now. Do you see it? You are going to click on that and get redirected to this page over here. You basically have to fill out your email and password, agree to their terms and services, and pass the security check. The registration process is super easy, and in just a few seconds, you have an account. Go to your email to verify your account, and the process is complete. Remember the links we got from YouTube? We are going to place them in this box at the top that says Shorten. You can take your new shortened links and use them to make money. If you have come this far with us, here is a bonus website you can use for this method. Have you ever heard of adf.ly? If you haven't, it is a website just like shorte.st, and it shortens links. It is also a credible website, and you don't have to worry about not getting paid. And you need to earn up to $5 before you can get paid. It has an app available on both the Play Store and Apple Store, but it is better to use the website because the app isn't the best. There is a yellow sign up button for you to click, and once you do that, you will be taken to this page where you can register for a new account. Fill in your personal details, and in this section that says Account Type, keep it in Link Shrinker or change it to that if your account is set at something else. Agree to the terms and conditions here and sign up. With that, you have 2 websites to generate money from. How great is that? You can post the links on various social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. But for the gaming videos we have, there are some special websites that can give you more views. The first website on this list is store.steampowered.com, or Steam. The Steam community is one of the most advanced gaming platforms available today. If you are a gamer, this is the best place to be because you can meet millions of people interested in the same things as you. For us, this is one of the best platforms we can use to make money. To use this website, we have to create an account. Click on Login over here, and just below, you should see the sign up button. You have to be at least 13 years old before you can join, and you can go ahead and fill in your email address and country. After creating your account, you can post the shortened links you have. But before you do that, here are some things that you may want to keep in mind. You want to find people that are very interested in the videos you have, because how else are you going to make money? And for you to do that, you cannot just post your links anywhere and expect people to click on them. Since they are gamers, you can have a couple of people checking it out, but you may not get the traffic you need to make a lot of money with this method. The best way to get the most traffic for your videos is to post them in communities related to them. Let's show you how you can do that. Under Community, click on Discussions, and your page should look like this. Change the Steam forums over here to Game Forums. Do you see what happens here? If you scroll down a bit, you will see that the conversations or discussions are divided based on different games. Let's say you have a video on Tomb Raider. You can search for that, and it will load up the discussions regarding that particular game. You can post your shortened link here with a little content and get thousands of people to see it. There are different gaming communities out there that are great, but the second best option you can use for this is Reddit. You may be thinking, but Reddit isn't a gaming platform. Yes, it isn't exactly dedicated to gaming alone, but you will find some of the liveliest and most active gaming communities there. This is the type of thing you should look out for because you want people to click on your links as much as possible. Creating an account is pretty easy, and you can join communities like Game Deals, True Gaming, and Patient Gamers because these are the best communities for gamers on Reddit. We didn't forget about the special bonus tip we have for you, and like we said, using it is guaranteed to boost your clicks. Along with choosing recent videos like we talked about, another great way to get people interested is to use live videos. Why? Because they are more interactive than recorded videos, and people really like those types of videos. This way, you will have thousands watching your videos in no time. Are you excited to try this out? Let us know in the comments below, and we can't wait to hear from you guys.